Are you struggling to change the status bar text color in your Xamarin Forms iOS app? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue and find a solution together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you make changes in your code, but nothing seems to work. It can feel like you're stuck in a loop, and that can be really discouraging. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user mentioned that they changed their info.plist file to set the status bar text color to white, but it still appears black. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this issue. So what could be going wrong here? The status bar text color can be influenced by various factors, including the app's overall theme and the specific view controllers in use. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you ensure your status bar looks just the way you want it. To change the status bar text color in a Xamarin Forms iOS app, the user should first ensure that the correct settings are in the info.plist file. They need to confirm that the UI status bar style is set to UI status bar style light content. Next, the user should verify that the status bar appearance is being controlled by the application. This can be done by ensuring that the UI view controller-based status bar appearance key is set to false, which allows the app to manage the status bar appearance. After confirming these settings, the user should implement a custom renderer for the navigation page. This renderer will allow them to set the status bar text color programmatically. In the custom renderer, the user can use the method setNeedsStatusBarAppearanceUpdate to apply the changes. This will ensure that the status bar updates its appearance when the page appears. Finally, the user should test the application on a physical device or simulator to see if the status bar text color has changed to white. This step is crucial to confirm that the changes have taken effect. Fun fact: did you know that the status bar was first introduced in iOS 1.0? It's come a long way since then, but changing its color can still be tricky. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests modifying the status bar text color in the finished launching method of the app delegate. They recommend adding a specific line of code to set the status bar style to light content. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative approach shared by another user involves modifying the info.plist file and the app delegate. First, ensure UI view controller-based status bar appearance is set to false. Then, in the finish launching method, access the status bar and set its background color to your desired color. Finally, in app.xaml, create a style for the navigation page to set the bar text color to white. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests selecting the navigation bar and changing its style property to black. This adjustment can help in changing the status bar text color to white. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests modifying the app delegate. They recommend adding a line of code in the finished launching method to set the status bar text color to white. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your app on a real device, as the simulator might not always reflect the actual behavior of the status bar. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to change the status bar text color successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Xamarin Forms.